What is English? Of course, it's a language, but for us, it's not just a language. It's also a very important tool and powerful weapon. It's necessary skill for our life and success in the 21st century. Why should we master this language, tool or weapon? Why should we spend a lot of time and energy on English? The answer is obvious: to improve yourself, to serve our country and Vietnamese people, and to communicate freely with the world. This is our ultimate goal. This is our number one mission. Let's make the English to promote and with international communicate. Let's make the English to spread Vietnamese language and culture. Let's make the English to make Vietnam stronger and more prosperous. Let's make the English to make our future brighter. Let's make the English to make our world a better place.